explain that how we can fill our day planner. So once we have planned for the month, let's suppose for the October month, we have planned for 13th of October, and then after that, once we will click on day planner, so we need to plan the day. So for the October, when we click on October, so for 17 also we have planned for the month, so we will click on the 17, and on 17th of October we have planned for one customer. As we can see, the classification and all these details are there, so we have done that. And if again on 17 for another customer, if we want to plan our day, we can do that. So let's suppose for this customer, and then contact, and then time slot between still, and add. So on the day 17 we have already planned our day for two of the customer, as we can see on the screen. So once we have planned for the complete day, then and we have visited to the customer, now we want to fill the DSR. So for the October month we can fill the DSR for 17. Let's suppose salesperson visited this one, A1 stainless steel, Delhi. So for that, on the same day we can fill the DSR. So once meeting will start, so we need to click on this start meeting, and then after start meeting we can fill all these details, like let's suppose it's for in this office, and then remarks we need to fill, and then next follow-up date, next rate, then display, yes or no, and then story check. We can fill all this detail. So this is basically for display and story check. If we want to click something and we want to save this story check and this display, so we can click on this yes, and then marketing activities and all that. And then once meeting will end, we need to click on this end meeting. Once we will click end meeting, the details has been submitted, the DSR has been filled, and all this competitor analysis, this form will open after this first form. And then we need to add all these details, mandatory details. Let's suppose for cookware, then once we have selected this, we need to select for this check for day planner, and then we need to map the location, and then end meeting. Once we have selected this category, after that we need to select this group. Let's suppose electrical appliances, after that subgroup. Once we have selected all these items, and then now item, competitor name, and then percentage thing that we can. And once we have fill all the information, this competitor temp data added. Once we have done this analysis, we can go to back, and then we have filled this our DSR. So after plan our day, it is very important to fill the DSR at the time of the meeting. So as we have seen that, we will click on start the meeting and then fill all the information and end the meeting. So in this video we have seen how to plan our day and then how to fill the DSR.